Hi everyone, I'm back with another video this evening. I've got new whirlpool dishwasher. I think it's like 3 hours. Probably gone up in bed. It'll be middle of the night by the time that finishes, but it's probably past guarantee. 2 past guarantee. I think that needs recalling, I think. I'm not sure, but I think the open version isn't after recall, right? That one has a 2 years price guarantee. Isn't worth it. Isn't worth it. I can tell you guys this. I just got the perfect answer for you guys to fix this issue, to fix the guarantee problem. But I just same kitchen sink was mine. I did a hob before and 2 hours and 44 minutes left. Yep. I've got I'll try and do another 4th video of this if I can. Bye for now.